everybody's favorite coriander chutney. Let's start with the ingredients first. I have taken a bunch of washed and cleaned coriander, 2 onions, 1 tomato, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 green chilies and a small piece of ginger. Adding all of these in the blender jar. Adding salt according to taste. One spoon of sugar. Blend it well without adding any water. Mix the ingredients once again, close the lid and blend it again. You can add very little water just to grind it into a fine paste. Now I'll share one of the tricks. If you add one ice cube, one is the color will be better and the chutney stays good for long. Blend it again. Open the lid and mix it once again. The last ingredient, we'll add half lemon juice. Finally blend it once again. Once blended well, open the lid and remove it in a bowl. I assure you this is going to be one of your favorite chutneys that you've ever had. If you liked my video, please press the like button. Do try this recipe, share your comments with me and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.